RIMS Hospital na Institute of National Importance INI gi THAKTA OIRAKNABA HOTNARIBA ASIDA Leingakki Maikeidagi Pangba Yaba Mateng Khudingmak Pangani Haina Manipurgi Governor AJAY na Phongdokhre wafam asing asi Regional Institute of Medical Science RIMS na chai yankhai mari mapung farakpagi ngasi hospital asgi Jubilee Hall da pangthokiba Foundation Day gi thoramda athoiba mithunglen oina saruk yaraduna Governor na Phongdokhibani Foundation Day gi thoramadda Governor AJAY ga loinina RIMS ke Director Professor G Sunil Kumar Hospital asgi Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology ki former Professor N. Jitendra, Department of Orthopedics ki former Professor I. Ubomcha, Medical Superintendent Professor N. Sanjeev, Dean Academics Professor L. Rajasamadi Foundation Day adugi Reception Subcommittee ki Chairman Professor R. K. Lenin na Mithunglen Singh oina sarugyaki amadi Thoramadugi Manung Chennai Institute adugi Mitoi mihen bataraklaba mahairoi sing da khudol tamdun ikai khumnaba utki loirina annual magazine oina ba remedy amadi medical society ki zarel amasu phongki toramaduga mari lenina governor AJAY na phongdokibada analaing gi lamda profession oina leiriba singasi yamna lemsaningai oiba amadi yamna luba amani maramdi miyoibagi punsiga hakthengnana thabak tawriba amadi thawai kaya kalliba ngaktani anaba amana famungda taduna leiraba matamda doctor singasi lai ama gumna uribani masimakna sinfam asi kai khumnaribani institute asidagi pass out toraba mahairoi singnasu profession asigi maru oiba adu khangna thabak tawgadabani RIMS hospital asida Thangnaba state sing habidi Nagaland, Mizoram, Tripura, Meghalaya amadi Assam dagi anaba kaya laing balakli masigi manungda Nagaland dagi cardiac surgery oncology amadi orthopedic ki anaba kaya yengba lakli loinin anaba khudingmak Chanaba Mamalda amadi government scheme Khudingmak Fanghanduna lakli loinina leiriba medical college asisu India gi mafam khudingdagi tamba laknariba masak naiba ama oirakli ngasi phong liba medical journal asimaksu yamna faba khongthang amani professor oinabagi damakta publication Puthokpa asisu yamna maru oiba amani RIMS hospital asida chai kharagi mamangda yumlo naba leivak Myanmar dagi fawa anaba yengba laki hospital asi global collaboration tawba yaba mafam ama oi amadi masi tawrabadi analaeng khaktanatana masiga mari lenaba policy kaya su sembangam gani magna makha taraduna foundation day na lakpasida doctor nurse researcher amadi mahairoi singna lawriba thodang singa sisui kai khumna fam thoi amadi ekhoi khudingmak na Lamnariba Hospital asi hena Saukhatuna India pumbada kana babiba oisanu loinina ngasi mana fanglaba mahairoi singbusu thagatba phongdoki thoramadda RIMS ke Director Professor G Sunil Kumar na annual report pathoktuna miyamda khanghanki
So request to the students who are passing out, you are very brilliant academically. But be good human beings also, because as I said, you are going to deal with the human lives. You as a regional facility in truest sense serving Northeast. They were mentioning me as additional charge of Nagaland. I just took oath and I haven't been there again. But when I went there, I was asking what about the medical facility and all. So I think now they have a medical college where they have started first year and second year, I think people are there. So what they were saying that we don't have doctors as faculty and all. Whereas I find the doctors from Manipur all over the country as professors, as doctors, as all on various institutes. So we have a solid advantage in Manipur of having a regional institute of medical sciences. In subsequent years, NEGRIMS also came up in Shillong, but still I find RIMS is much more sought after institute. Way back, well, I served in Assam and Meghalaya. I used to hear, I was in Barak Valley in Silchar and all, as a sub-divisional officer. Those days also we used to hear RIMS as a very prestigious institute. So you are actually, this is an institute which is serving, I'm told, patients of course come from Nagaland, Mizoram, Tripura, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya also.